You can create stunning looking blogs on your Easy site, and in this tutorial I'll show you the widget that is just for blogs. I've got an example on this page here right at the bottom. You can see I've got this section that beautifully presents some of the latest blogs on my website, and this is a dynamic widget that will keep itself up to date when I add new blogs. So let me go ahead and just delete this for you so you can see how I can build a section just like that. So I've got a blank section. I'm going to go into widgets and I'm going to drag in the blog list widget, and there it is. As quick as that, my display of latest blogs has appeared on here. Now, as you would expect, I can right click on this and make some changes to the settings. I'm just going to remind you though, if you right click on the section itself and you go into styles here, this is the best place to update the padding around the blog widget, top, bottom, left, right, whatever you want to do. That's the best place to do it, and that will help you make sure the optimization is good on all of your different devices and pages. So let's have a look in the settings of this. There's different changes I can make to the card layout. So there's a large view card that you're looking at. There's different list views that you can also have as well. If you wanted to control the categories that the widget displayed, you can change that just here. So if you wanted, for example, only one category to be shown in the widget, you can do that. And that means that you can have, if you've got multiple topics that you talk about, you could have different pages or different widgets just focused on different blog categories if that's what you wanted to do. You can also change how many are on display. So I've got 6 on display here. You know, if I wanted to, I could make it a bigger number. I could make it 12 just like that, or even a shorter number if I just wanted a few on display. Change the settings on the card as well. So these are the cards here. So if I want to change, for example, the background color of the card, I can do that sort of thing very easily. I can choose to show the category, which is shown on this currently pink thing here, or I can hide it out of the way. I can also change the background color of the category. So green is more like me. As I go down, I can hide or show the author. Very easy. The date of publishing. Sometimes people just like to hide the date that things are published, and that's easy to do as well. Turn on and off the descriptions. You can choose even to hide the button itself. That means people would click on the thumbnail instead to open the blog. You can, of course, change the color of the button as well. Just there. Okay. So that is the blog widget that you'll find on the Easy Builder. Very good to quickly create sections that showcase your latest blogs.